Alright, so this is what we working with. Some buffalo sauce, the little combo. This is popcorn chicken. And then my soda right here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're having a little mukbang moment. And my sister's in the back. She's gonna ask me questions while I eat. Because we're in quarantine and we have nothing better to do. Bitch, what?
What am I asking you?
Random shit. Just ask me random shit. So my chicken right here. Oh, it's a KFC little mukbang. Can you pass me your hair? Actually, I have a hair tie. I don't like eating with my hair down. Also, if y'all don't like people who eat and shit, don't watch this. Alright. I have my Coke. My fries. I need ketchup. Can you use ketchup? They didn't give you in your bag?
No.
So, we're in quarantine right now. And I'm stuck with my sibling. And my mom and shit. I'm not used to this. Because, honestly, my siblings and I haven't been in the same room in like the longest. What great questions you're asking me. Anyways. So classes are canceled. We're on Zoom. Yeah? Come up with questions. Stop being fucking lame.
What have you been doing these past few days?
Great question. I haven't been doing shit, really. Eating. Sleeping. I've been painting. But that's because I'm like trying to do a scrapbook thing.
Have you seen your friends?
Through FaceTime. I haven't seen them. When did I hang out with VA? Like 2 weeks ago? I saw one of my friends. But before that, I saw Madison. We went to go eat. Like, we ordered shit and then we sat in her car and we were just eating. But like my other friends, like the ones I be partying with and shit, I haven't seen them in hella long. Actually, no. Like 2 weeks ago, I saw Che. I miss all them. But they're fun. I miss going out. I'm honestly not used to this shit. My mom was like, you need to go out and go on a drive in your car, because I was over here having a whole ass panic attack and shit. Like, I'm not used to being home. Like, just sitting here doing nothing. And I didn't know what to film, so I was like, let me go get food and sit and talk to you. What?
Last time you didn't come home.
Last time I didn't come home was when I got drunk at Vegas. Because my plan was to come home that night because Rosa was gonna come with me, and she was like, "Oh yeah, like we'll go together and we'll leave together, and it's that. Like, we're not gonna stay, shit like that." I was like, "Okay, cool." She canceled, and I was like, "Wow, are you fucking serious? Like, last minute?" So she last minute canceled. I still went. We went to go get some alcohol. And then we kind of pre-gamed, and then we were chilling. Then we went to go touch her horse. This whole thing was a mess. And then after, we all started drinking, and then I got drunk when we started playing beer pong with her sister. I was playing with her. So her sister was like, "Oh, let's play beer pong." We didn't even have beers, so we're like, "Fuck it, let's do shots." We poured hella shots in each cup, and then I was winning. I was losing, and then I ended up beating her. But then after, our dumbasses were like, fuck it, let's just take these shots together, like the remaining ones. And yeah, that's when that's when I got drunk. And then we started dancing, and I got dizzy, so like I blacked out. Yeah. So I didn't come home.
So where'd you stay?
Vietta's house. In her room. It was like me, Vietta's little sister. No, did Mona say? No, not Mona. So me, yeah, Vietta's little sister. Vietta's tia. Well, Chris's mom, not really tia, they call her tia. And then her mom, the lady's friend. But she was also drunk. She was gone. I felt so bad. You know, I've never thrown up after drinking.
That's fine.
I don't want to throw up after drinking.
Do you remember the first time we ever got drunk?
Yeah. After? Let me think about it. I know, it was in the summer. Like, 2019 summer. I was with 3 friends. And I don't know, I think it was at my friend's house. Because I would always go. And then, yeah, I guess I don't really remember actually. Because every time we would go, we would usually drink, so I don't even remember. I guess, like drunk? Vieres. Oh, my friend's birthday. I got drunk. Wait, yeah, Manny's birthday. It was his birthday, and me and one of my friends, me and him were like bored as fuck, and we're like, fuck it, let's just keep drinking. We kept drinking. We started mixing, and that's where I got drunk. But it was fun. That day was fun. Other than that, I'm just usually buzzed. If you guys hear noise, that's my brother in the background. Brothers. For example. I feel like these were all questions you wanted to know.
We start talking about getting drunk, and I was like, okay.
Alright, next question.
What's the first thing you're gonna do when quarantine ends?
What's the first thing I'm gonna do? Good question. Either shop with my friends or go eat. Well, go eat with my friends or shop with my friends. Most likely shop. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna wait it out. Actually, no. The first thing I'm gonna do is go to Madison's birthday party because she's throwing one right after. It's not a big one. It's just like a little girls getaway thing. So my sister bought the After Hours CD from the weekend. The one where he was like bleeding and stuff and smiling. Oh my god, I love it. So she got it and she put it up like on a little web, like on one of our, what are they? One of our Alex 9 drawers. And my mom walks in and she was like, what is that? Well, let me say it in Spanish. Fuck that. What did she say? She's like, no. And I was like painting in my room on the floor and shit. And then she was like, quita eso diabólico de ahí. And she like moved it and put it down. And I was like, girl, what? And I looked and it was the CD. I was like, you're hella dramatic. My mom's hella extra for that. But it was funny. So I was thinking, should I start filming random shit without my makeup? But it's like, I like doing my makeup and filming. Oops.
slowly.
I don't have much left.
Have you been doing online shopping?
No. Mm-mm. Pause. I don't want to do online shopping yet because of this whole coronavirus thing. I'm scared. Girl, what do you mean? That shit's scary. What if somebody has it and then and then it's coming overseas, like the shit I order? No. I'm gonna wait it out. But then there are some sales, so I kind of want to do some shopping, but I don't know yet. What do y'all think? I do see a lot of people ordering like hella shit, so I don't know if I should. Guys, so during this whole quarantine thing, I've been thinking of cutting my hair. My mom said she can cut it, but the way she wants to cut it is just like a little trim here and there. The way I want to cut it, I want to cut it all off. So I don't know if I should yet, or if I should just grow it out until it's really down to my ass. I mean, it is, but like I want it a little longer. So maybe after quarantine, I'm not sure yet, but I really want to cut my hair. If I don't cut my hair completely off, I'm gonna get an undercut. My friend Trey, he wants to cut my hair. Well, I asked him if he can cut my hair, and he's like, yeah, I'm down. And then he was like, you can film it. So he might give me an undercut, but the way I think it's gonna happen, he's gonna give me a fucking undercut and then fuck it up, and then he's gonna cut it on purpose or something. I don't know yet. I gotta figure this out. But I really want to cut my hair. Also, I want to dye my hair. That's what I was thinking. Should I dye my hair when it's short, or should I not? Like, do I now? I just want two little strands right here, like either like light brown or blonde. I don't know yet, but like I want two little strands right here. I'm full.
Wait, how short are you gonna cut your hair?
Did you not pay attention?
No.
Either all off or just to trim.
What you mean all off?
All off.
So
Like,
weird.
Like all off.
What?
Like damn near pixie cut. Like Pedro, like my brother.
Ew, why?
Cause I want short hair. Like I just want to regrow everything.
Okay, then just cut it to your shoulders.
I like trying new things.
That's not no damn trim.
That's what I said. Either a trim or all of it off. Either or. Cause let me show you. Can you see my ponytail? It's like right here. So I really like talking to y'all when no one's in the room, but my sister's here, obviously, because we're in quarantine. And it's really awkward sometimes being serious or like doing shit. So I do want to talk about a few other serious things in a different video. But right now, since I haven't been filming much, I was like, you know what, let me just sit down and do a mukbang, because I haven't given you guys a video. But yeah, I hope everyone's okay. I hope everyone stays home and stay safe, and yeah, have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video.
Bye.